People ask me, can you really do your resume on your phone? Can you really do it in 10 minutes? Yes, you can. And we're going to do it right now. This is the 10-minute resume challenge. Are you ready? I'm going to start recording on the screen, and then we'll start our resume session once this is all set. Okay, we're ready to go. Are you?
Hello, I'm Natalie, your Intelligent Resume Assistant. I'm here to help you build a professional ATS-friendly resume in just a few minutes. Let's get started. What's your current or most recent job title?
I'm an AI solution architect.
Perfect. AI Solution Architect. That's a great tech role. Let's get your company and dates next. What company was that with? And when did you start and finish? Month and year is perfect.
I work for Apply Today AI. I started in May of 2025, and I'm still there.
Got it. Apply Today AI started May 2025 and you're still there. Perfect. Now, what were your main responsibilities? The core of what you did day to day as an AI solution architect.
I map business requirements to technical requirements. I develop a resource plan to create products. I develop the timeline to create a minimum viable product. I'm responsible for implementation and testing. And I talk to investors about our plans and our goals and our progress.
Perfect. Those are clear, focused responsibilities. Now, what were your key wins in this role? Think projects finished early, money saved, or targets hit. ATS systems love numbers. Any percentages or specific results you're proud of?
I built 3 products under budget, and I improved product performance by 45% simply by removing unnecessary code. I also identified what was required for an MVP.
Excellent. 3 products under budget, 45% performance improvement, and MVP identification. Those are great measurable wins. Now, do you have other relevant work experience you'd like to include?
Yes, I'm a practice manager at Chili Pepper Studios.
Great. Let's capture that previous role. What was your job title at Chili Pepper Studios?
Practice manager.
Got it. Practice manager at Chili Pepper Studios. What year did you start there, and when did that role end?
I started in June of 2011 and was there till May of 2025.
Perfect. Chili Pepper Studios, June 2011 to May 2025. What were your main responsibilities as practice manager there?
I managed a team of 35 billable consultants. I was responsible for getting the consultants onto assigned projects that matched their skills, and so that the consultant and the customer were successful. That was very critical, making sure that they were on the right project. I also hired people into the company, so I did onboarding, I did interviews, and I did annual reviews for everybody that was on my team. I also met with clients to discuss their business needs and make sure that the projects that they had were going well and address any issues that came up. And I also worked with pre-sales role in planning for new projects, offering up proposed schedules, estimates, and resource plans for those.
Excellent. Those are comprehensive responsibilities covering team management, client relations, and project planning. Now, what were your key wins as practice manager? Think projects finished early, money saved, or targets hit. Any percentages or specific results you're proud of?
Yeah, my team was 88% utilized. It helped increase the revenue for the company by 55%. I grew my team, I grew it by 40%.
Great. 88% team utilization, 55% revenue increase, and 40% team growth. Those are impressive results. Do you have other relevant work experience you'd like to include?
No, that's it.
Now, what top skills should we highlight? Software, technical tools, or soft skills like leadership? Whatever's most relevant.
Prompt engineering, LLM tuning, C, C++, Java, Node.js, TypeScript, native iOS development, and Enterprise Service Bus, ASN.1, and CMIP.
Got it. Those are strong technical skills for an AI solution architect. Now tell me about your educational background, the degree or credential, the school, and the year you completed it.
I have a BS in computer science from Stanford, May 2006, and an MS in computer science from LSU, December 2012.
Perfect. Stanford BS in 2006 and LSU MS in 2012. Almost done. Any certifications, volunteer work, or languages you'd like to add?
Well, I'm fluent in Portuguese, conversational, and Spanish.
Perfect. Fluent in Portuguese and conversational in Spanish. Great addition. Before I finalize this, would you like me to review what we've covered, or should I go ahead and build your resume?
Go ahead and build it.
All right, I have everything I need. Check your screen. I'm building your resume now. This will take about 30 seconds. I'll email your resume and receipt when it's ready. Thank you.
All right, so now she's, the conversation is done. The information is being processed. She never saw any of the personal information that was put in that's going to go on the resume. And the only reason that we'd collect that is so that we can deliver it to you. And you do want your phone number, your email, and your name to be on there correctly. So that's the only form that you have to fill out, is those three elements at the very beginning. Other than that, it's all through the conversation that you just witnessed. There's nothing else. It's all done with your voice. And you can do it on your phone, your iPad, your computer. And you can do it just about anywhere so long as you don't have a lot of background noise. And she has got it done, and there it is. I've got a screen recording going on, so I'm going to show this screen. I'm going to stop the screen recording, and that took 7 minutes, 21 seconds total, including me rambling on. All right, and then there's an email, and I'm going to show the email. Let me get the email called up. I have to get to the right mailbox. Here it is. I'm going to do a screen recording again so you can see it. It's a new recording. Excuse me. So I've got this called up. The email that she sent is called up. I'm doing a screen recording so I can scroll through it and you can see what you get. Here's the email. Here is the resume. Here's the receipt. And here is your compatibility report. Now, this compatibility report is more or less what we think is how you did and how likely it is to get past the ATS scanners. You know, that's the trick. And then once you get past them, those recruiters are looking for one thing, and that is clarity. And this resume is going to help you with that because it is just about as clean as it can get. Now, if you want a fancy resume, you take the PDF that we send you, you can open it in Word or Google Docs, and you can change the format of it and save it as a separate one. What I recommend is submit the clean resume to any of the online services, and if you get an in-person interview, take the pretty one with you. That's what I would recommend. And that's it. That was it. 10-minute resume challenge. Thanks.